What a lovely day today. Wonderful. I just love it when there's some sunshine, you know. As long as I see the sun, I feel nice. Yeah, we're all like that. No. People who suffer from seasonally affective disorder, anyway, SAD, don't like it when there's no sun. I can't believe it, I'm so fat. The button broke on my shorts. Anyway, I haven't got time to go back and get a new pair. I'm not sure what I'm going to do now. I'm going to just have to hold up my shorts. Do it in a as a discreet way as I can. My belly's so huge. I'm not sure how many. I think it was 40. I don't know, 45 inches or something like that. Oh, I'll have to check and actually get back to you on that. I think it's over 45 inches. That's a lot. I remember when my waist used to be about 32 inches, you know, when I was 20, and that was really good. And I'm sure as a teen it must have been, I don't know, 28 inches or something like that. Yeah, but those days are gone, but they're going to come back again. Isn't that right, Betty? Okay, so I'm going now to pick up the kids. Yeah, they've got that social distancing rules in their school as well. They can't, you know, touch other kids or play with them like they used to. You know, they can't sit next to each other. Oops, sorry. Yeah, so yeah, I've been wanting to make some different kind of videos, but I just haven't had the opportunity. I haven't had the chance to get out and you know. Oops, I'm gonna have to go here. I haven't had the opportunity to go to the countryside or to the, you know, we do have mountains here. We've got, in Scotland there's Ben Nevis, but that would be a difficult trek for me, you know, for the first time. So, you know, we used to live in North Wales, so there you have Mount Snowdon, which is really beautiful. We went there once, but it was very windy and it was stormy, so I think it was some kind of a coach or something that takes you to the top, or train or something, didn't go the last, you know, let's say the last quarter of the way, so we never actually went to the top of Mount Snowdon. So you've got Mount Snowdon, you've got the Brecon Beacons in Wales as well. You've got the Lake District. That's somewhere I really like to go, and there's so many mountains there as well. So I'll probably go to the Lake District first, before, you know, autumn comes, and then winter. I just want to avoid autumn and winter if I can. Or yeah, well, actually I can't avoid autumn and winter, you know, so I'll probably take a few trips during the autumn and the winter period. Annabella, did you put your seatbelt on? Go and do that now, please. So, Annabella, can you help Salvatore? Put this on there. No. Yeah. And you stay back there. Don't even think about jumping over. You're a naughty girl. I really need to get a gate so she can't jump over. Because I'm worried that she jumps over and she's going to want to jump out of the window as well. Because she does that. She jumps out of windows in the house. And I'm worried that she might even jump out of the first floor window. Yeah, we're home. You know we're home now.
Dus die is er sneller ran. Maar ben je maar door. Maar ben je maar door.